Hello to Polio24. Today I show you some really rare watches in my office. So here are the board watches. You probably know the very special board watches of the MiG-29 with chronograph. But today I show you the even more rare 24-hour watch. So we get them like this in an original factory packaging, and they are built in the 80s of the last decade, so in the CCCP time, and they are all completely unused with all seals. And this type has a 24-hour dial, and it has an enormous power reserve of 195 hours. You have to wind quite a long time, and then you hear it ticking. This is the stop, second stop, so you can stop the whole watch. And this is how to set the red hand for an electric function. And this is how to set the time. You can only set the time in one direction. So this is, for example, 6 o'clock in the morning. So enjoy this and all our other rare watches, and I hope to show you some of them in the future again.